Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have something sensational. The legend Evan Blass has fully exposed a hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Just look at that amazing engineering. This footage is straight from Samsung Press, and as you can see, this is it. Improved much over its predecessor. This is the Galaxy Fold 2, and it happens to come in my favorite bronze color with matte finish, which means no fingerprint smudges all over the place. So we have stunning dual displays, stunning design, and even the small display on the outside is quite large, fills the entire front screen, and of course when unfolded you get the full treat of that super large display, which will be great for media consumption. When this phone becomes available for sale, it's going to be my daily driver instantly. And of course, the expected price of this product is going to be around $2,000, just like the last one. Yet, this is going to come with so many improvements. So can't wait to get my hands on it, and let me know what you guys think below by dropping your comments down below. Are you gonna buy this? What are your thoughts on this product? Let me know down below. For now, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.